Welcome home, my Sacred Moon Kitties, because my channel is your home. So today I'm doing a video based on this Venus palette by Lime Crime. As soon as I got the palette, I was so astounded. It's so gorgeous, the colors, and I tried it out yesterday so that I could do a makeup tutorial on it today. And it looked really beautiful, so I'm going to show you how this looks today. This is Lime Crime Venus XL. This beautiful palette. Look at this, Aphrodite. These are the colors. They are so gorgeous. And they have the most beautiful names. Eden, Love, Passion, Fresca, Inspire, Idolized, Aphrodite, New Classic, Burnt Gold, Flora, Scallop, Celestial. I'm obsessed with the word celestial now. I literally call my cats celestial nymphs, which is heavenly maidens. That's what it means. Celestial nymphs. I'm a celestial nymph. Ethereal, Triumph, Supreme. Reminds me of my order in bubble tea. I always get the largest drink, which is Supreme. Blank Canvas, Botticelli, and Goddess. Goddess is my favorite color on this by far. And when you see the colors, the actual pigments come out a little bit different from the way you see the colors are. So when you actually use the colors, they look like a more vibrant color. They're really cool. Could you just see my camera in the background? Looking at yourself. Oh, and my cat Luna. She's so cute. Luna! So this is a go-to, absolutely perfect, gorgeous palette. I'm so excited to show you guys this palette today and show you how I experimented with these beautiful colors. This is Luna! Moon Kitten! Now to begin with, we're using a white eyeshadow. So get the whitest looking eyeshadow that you can possibly find. And I've got this pointy kind of fluffy brush. And I'm going to go in here with the white eyeshadow. And this is going on my inner corner. It's really awesome because I also bought from Lime Crime, which is like a vegan makeup online store. I bought this eyebrow pencil and I really think it's so effective. Like if you're going for that on fleek eyebrow, then Lime Crime has the best eyebrow pencil pens. So you're going to go on the inner corner of your eye here and just pat some whites. And you're also going to go on your eyelid too. Just here. Nina! She's playing with my headphones. She broke my last ones. Oh my god. She really likes playing with wires. I think it's because Brandon's dad, my boyfriend's dad, he kind of like, when we first got Luna, he had this black string and he started to let Luna play with that. And I think she really liked it. And you know when you're a kitten, like when you're a kitten, when we're a kitten, you kind of learn and you gain everything subconsciously about what you like and what you think is good and stuff by what you were taught as a child, as a kitten. So I think that's why she really likes like wires and stuff. Now I'm going in with 3 different glitters because I really like to glisten this up because I think it looks beautiful. I'm going in with Inglot Sparkling Dust, which is this white sparkly glitter highlighter, and I'm putting this on the inner corners of my eye. Now I'm using Bella Pierre Sensation, which is a white glitter. Luna's playing with my makeup! So much glitter on right now, but yeah. Now you've got that sensation glitter on. He just really likes the wire. She's a little angel. Luna, cuddle me. Now you've done the white eyeshadow in the inner corners of your eye and your eyelid, and also some glitter in your inner corners, iridescent glitter. We are now going in with a fluffy brush, and we're using Scallop, which is the lightest pink shade, right here. And we're going to begin by putting this on our eyelid. Right now on our eyelid, we're trying to achieve a peachy kind of pinky effect. So this is a really nice one. The colors are so pigmented, so beautiful. Now what I like to do is changed my fluffy brush to another different brush with no product on it really, and just blend it out. So it doesn't become big, clumpy and messy. It's just nice and fresh, and you're actually just blending out that pure color that you just put on your eyelid. It just gives it a really nice faded effect, you know? You don't really want to add so much color, but I think on this brush there's a little bit of excess color, so it's kind of giving it a nice effect. But I'd say that the excess color on this that I used would be Goddess, because I didn't realize this was on this before, but this is what the color's coming out to. So Goddess is my favorite color, as I said. It looks so pretty. I love this. Look how gorgeous this looks. I love this color. I really love the fact that when you use eyeshadows and stuff, like a particular palette, each palette has its own kind of effect to it. It gives your face its own kind of aura, and it works in a very specific way. So depending on what eyeshadow you use, it's really important the quality of the eyeshadow and where it comes from, because it's really going to impact the way your eye makeup looks. The actual product is a big part of it. Now I'm going to be adding the smallest touch of Flora. Really not too much with that, just the tiniest touch. And I'm just gonna put this on my eyelid. It looks more like a blush for your eyelids. That's so cool. My eyelids are blushing. That's kind of what eyeshadow looks like, to be honest. And then I'm gonna blend that out. Now we're beginning with Goddess on a slanted brush. And we're going to be lining this underneath our eye, gently, very close to our waterline, just underneath. And we're going to be lining underneath the white eyeshadow and glitter as well. Now do it to the other eye. Now get a fluffy brush with little to no product on it, and just blend this out very close to your eye so it's not dragged down too much. So it gives it a nice clean effect. And now we're going in with Passion on our slanted brush, and we're just doing this close to our waterline, just underneath. Now we're getting our fluffy brush again and blending this all out. And now I'm going to get a little bit of Inspire on my slanted brush and do the same thing. Now blend, 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 very gently. Now I'm getting some Triumph, and I'm just going to add to it, like this. This one really gives it a full effect. Just doing this on the outer corners. Now blending. Now go in with some liquid eyeliner, a liquid eyeliner wing like this, cat eye. Sorry, I've changed outfit and stuff, like it got so dark that I had to film the next day, so. Make sure you don't get this on her.
Do her eyeliner. Oh no, don't.
I wouldn't actually do it. She's such a soft little baby. Soft kitten. Just so you know, I'm using Flirt Alert by Morphe. These eyelashes, they're gorgeous. You'll be able to see them on in a minute. Now you have the Flirt Alert eyelashes on, and you put black eyeliner in the inner corners of your eyes, just here, next to the white. We're going to be using Lime Crime's Polly, and it's a vegan brand. I'm going to be putting this on our lips. Their lip toppers are so nice. I love Lime Crime. Completely vegan as well. Now we have a pink doll look. I'm so sorry this video was so late. I've been so busy, and I feel like I've been put in such a rush into making this video, because obviously I have to upload every Thursday, and like I was unable to, like I kept trying to make a video, but then it kept failing and stuff kept getting in the way. So Yeah, and then I attempted to make this video so many times. But anyway, I hope that you like this makeup tutorial. It is so beautiful. Thank you, Lime Crime, for this beautiful palette. This is not a sponsorship, by the way. I just did this for fun because I absolutely adore this palette. And I really love Lime Crime's makeup and lipsticks. But yes, thank you for watching, guys. I love you so much. Hope you like this makeup tutorial. It looks so gorgeous. I feel like this is a high recommendation for me to you guys because it's so absolutely beautiful. I really, really adore it. I love this palette, and it's proper like goddessy. So adorable. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this makeup tutorial, make sure to give me a thumbs up because it helps me out a lot. And also remember to subscribe for weekly videos every single Thursday because I upload every single week. And click the bell next to the subscribe button to be notified every single time I upload a YouTube video. I love you guys so much. Bye!